So I told you guys I was gonna bring you exciting recipes, not just one, but two. That's right, two recipes of wings. This one is the lemon pepper wings. Yes, different varieties with just some lemon pepper seasonings. Ooh, that is so good. The previous video was the wings with the Haitian épices. Only one ingredient that you need to fix it. Of course, you have to go to the website for the Haitian épices recipe. But this one, few ingredients, and then you can also enjoy it any type of outing or game day. So you can have a variety. And your fans, or I should say, your friends will think that you're a chef. All right, let's get started. That's right, folks. Here is the other exciting wing video. This lemon pepper chicken wings. Well, the previous one with the Haitian épices, or game day wing with the Haitian épices, you guys loved it. Well, here's another one, a second one with the lemon pepper chicken wings. Same easy, quick cooking process. Only difference is the spices are different to bring you even more bold, exciting flavors. This process is optional regarding cleaning it in vinegar and water. Once you've completed that process, let's go ahead and start seasoning our wings. A little bit of garlic powder, and now let's go ahead and add our lemon pepper seasoning. Now don't forget, the full recipe is at savorythoughts.com on our website with step-by-step instructions as well as photo guides to help you achieve this wonderful flavor. Now, using a cooking spray, go ahead and spray the air fryer pan. We typically use olive oil, that's our go-to, but you can use any other cooking spray you have handy. Your pan may look different from ours. Some of them are circular, some of them are rectangular, depending on which type you're using. The cooking time also may vary depending on the air fryer, but typically somewhere between 20 to 25 minutes, your wings will be done. Halfway through, make sure to rotate the wings so they can be evenly cooked on both sides. And as simple as that, you can have restaurant style or pub style wings at home to impress your friends. And of course, you can make sure that they root for your team. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe, let us know how you enjoyed it when you made it. Thanks. See you in the next one.